So my name's Aaron and Morgan, and we're gonna be showing you guys my homemade vending machine. I made it by myself, so yeah. So there's three parts: the money part, the part where the prize comes out, and that's where you get your prize or candy or whatever. But first, you're gonna put your ticket or whatever in. I'm using a ticket, and then you pull this tab out, and then watch. Someone will hurry up and come out. It comes out, and then there's your prize, which I used or candy, whatever you use. But I used Japanese person. So you wanna grab, and then do it again. Do it again. Take it out, and then here comes, put it in. Then pull the tab out. There it is. So hope you enjoyed my homemade vending machine. So comment, rate, subscribe, and tell me if you liked it or not. Bye.